right, y'all, so just let me explain. Just hear me out for a minute. Cars sounds amazing. Like, that's a lot for 110. It flex like crazy. It flex way harder than the Charger does. So my boys knew that wasn't gonna last long. So because I was running that MD3K at 4 ohms, I was just leaving some power on the table, and I got to bring to you something that's in this box. And actually, this is an open box, so I want to make sure it's good. But yeah, let's get on to opening this, make sure it is what we supposed to receive. Does anybody recognize where this knife comes from? Haha. Check it out. Does anybody know? Anyway, let's get this box open. All right, y'all, so I hear something rolling around in here. So I don't got to see. But anyways, the box looks right. Should be the Smart 3. So it was on a deal from Big Jeff. It's an open box. So here you go, Kyle. Let's show this. So hopefully it's all good, but I definitely hear something rolling around in there. But anyway, still just trying to get this thing open. All right, so that noise that was rolling around was just one of the screws. So luckily it's in the box. So, and Smart 3s come with a clip meter, and it's crazy because I actually bought one for the 3K that was in there, and now I don't even need it. So anyway, here's the screw right here. So the amp is probably good. So I'm going to go ahead and just swap it out. It should be a direct swap. Actually, these have 0 gauge inputs, so I might be able to take those adapters off. But should be pretty much a direct swap, and we're gonna see what kind of increase we get. I will have to pull the sub out the box and wire it now from 4 ohms down to 1 ohm. So we're gonna see what this baby do. All right, y'all. So the Smart 3 is in. Looks basically just like the one I took out. So got the speaker wire ran. It's time to force this box back in here. Boy, this box is so tight. Anyway, let's go and get it in. All right, y'all, so I got a demo coming up at the end of this video, but I kind of wanted to explain and know exactly what was going on with my thought process of switching from the regular 2 ohm 3K to the Smart 3. Basically, you know, we never satisfied with music, and I already knew that leaving that, you know, extra 1,000 watts on the table was going to bother me. Sounded great with the 2 ohm 3K at 4 ohms. Only thing about it was right when it started getting that good deep bass, like right where you want it, it was already clipping at that point. And I could have kept it there and just clipped it a little, and the sub probably would have took it just fine. But I started browsing around a place where I buy a lot of my audios from Big Jeff online, and I seen that they had 2 amps that I was interested in for a replacement for this amp. So they had the Smart 3, and they had the regular 1 ohm 3K. So the price difference was about $35. And both of these was open box items. So I kind of, wrestled with myself a little bit, like, dang, which one to get. Again, this is the Lexus. It's not the Charger or the truck. I'm just trying to keep it, at somewhat of a budget. So I decided to get the open box 1 ohm 3K. Like I said, it was $35 cheaper than they had listed for the Smart 3. So I ordered that, and this was literally 2 days after the video that I posted. So on March 27th is when I ordered the, this 3K, and I got the speakers in and stuff 2 days before that. So they ended up emailing me back a couple of days after, and was like, that amp that I ordered was more damaged than they wanted to sell, and told me to check around the site to see if I wanted something else. They offered me a good deal on the base 3K. And I thought about it for YouTube, and I was like, nah, y'all know me. I'm a mids and highs person. I would have liked to try the bass amp, but what I really wanted the whole time was that Smart 3. But again, I just didn't want to spend that extra $35. So I asked them, I was like, yo, do y'all still have that open box 3K, Smart 3? They said, yeah, we can send that out, no problem. Bet. So send that to me. So that's how we ended up with the Smart 3 at a really good price. Again, it was open box. And it's nasty. Like, you would not believe that is 110 in the car. But anyway, that was kind of my thought process. My amp, my 2-ohm 3K, I know I can easily sell that. And actually, as soon as I said something about it, my boy bought it basically for about 200 bucks. So I really ain't got much more money into the Smart 3 versus the 2-ohm 3K. But anyway, got my best friend coming up. I'm gonna give him a demo so that y'all can see his reaction, get his thoughts and not mine. So let's roll into that. Yo, excuse your boy, all dirty, been cutting grass, but 25 years, man, my best friend.
What's up, y'all?
Long time. But look, man, I'm about to let him hit his 10 real quick before we get to the main event. Sitting back there. I'm gonna get his reaction, see what they think about this little 10 that's in here. Let me, matter of fact, I'm already on the good part.